today what we've been doing is go through some more user testing. We've gone through this phase a couple of times before, so this is sort of another filter just to get our product really as specific and developed as we can. And what we're making is speakers. It's also designed an app for it, so we've been talking a lot with the people through the app, trying to get them to figure it out. It's important to do testing like this just because we're not making it for us, we're making it for clients, and you kind of get blinded when you're making a product. You kind of get blinded by your own ideas, sort of thing. So you figure out the little things that you maybe haven't thought of and haven't considered, and it just overall will make for a lot better product for your actual consumer.